what is the proper way to mount an AIO. So what you want to do in general is make sure that the pump, which is this up here, is always going to be lower than the top of the radiator, okay? So you can have, say, a radiator like this, perfectly fine. You can have it like this, which is even better, because if the water level in here actually gets low, you're not going to get any gurgling sounds because all the air is going to be up top here. All AIOs have air, all right? Some have a little, some have a lot. But if it's like this and the water level actually does get low, you're going to have kind of air and water fighting to get into the tube here, all right? So normally not a big deal at all, but that could be an issue for some people eventually. And then like this, standard, nothing wrong right here. This is the absolute worst position because this is now the highest point of the entire AIO. Therefore, air is going to be trapped up here, and that's going to burn the pump out. Don't do this. It does not matter if the AIO radiator is in the front or back of the case or up top like this. It's perfectly fine. Really, the big difference is tubes being down is more ideal than tubes being up. That's really just for long-term use for the most part. This is obviously ideal. Doesn't matter if it's in the front or the back like that, depending, it doesn't matter, same thing. And so if you see an AIO that's like this, it's gonna be fine, as long as the top of the rad is higher than where the pump is.